remember those monitors? Those CRT monitors they used to have that you could flip to a vertical orientation. They had landscape, and then you could flip them. You could rotate the actual monitor. And there were these big, heavy monitors. With the big old CRT.
Okay, Harvey, do it. It's crazy, boy.
He's got this little walker.
Well, he's got a big walker here.
Yeah, he's got this little walker at home, and he was pushing it today, and it got stuck in the front, so the back wheels of it came up, and he ended up keep walking, and then he flipped it over and he fell.
Careful, buddy. You're fun at that. Careful.
Jesus Christ, Harvey. You gotta just drag a chair with you. That's all I need is this chair.
Yeah.
And this lamp. And that's all I need.
This one they haven't had a lot of. This one they've already had a lot of.
I'm going to eat all of it.
You should. You just should. That's good.
Come on, baby.
The spicy one? Yeah.
You know what I've found that I really like is getting my mouth kind of burning a little bit and then drinking a hot cup of coffee.
There you go, baby.
Like hot coffee.
What's your thing?
No, the heat. No, it doesn't.